Webxloo CRM is developed with the latest technology using open source database, enabling easy integration with a third-party application available in the market today. CRM consists of a dashboard with dynamic placement of dashlets such as calendar and scheduling, leads, calls, and follow-up activity customized for each user. Each dashlet can be also customized to show filtered status and timelines as needed to the user. Dashlets can be configured as a list, graph, or stats to help the user see instant results each day and reach higher performance output. Calendar module allows users to view shared calendar to establish the best time where resources and people can be scheduled for a meeting with a prospect or to manage a project internally. Automated Scheduling Appointment module allows you to expose your calendar confidentially to your clients or prospects via emailed link to schedule the time available on your agenda and avoid back-and-forth communication trying to book a simple meeting. The calendar module sets reminders for you and your attendees, notifying them one day or a few hours or a few minutes prior to the meeting time. It's like having your personal assistant. As soon as the appointment is confirmed, the time is blocked and unavailable for future bookings, with predetermined intervals between the meetings to help you plan your day. Our CRM is fully integrated with Microsoft Outlook 365 using a proprietary API to synchronize the calendar and emails, ensuring that your private events are kept confidential and not visible to your prospects, clients, or internally to the team members. You can determine if you want the calendar event to be public or private on either CRM or Outlook. Sales module includes the features to manage campaigns, opportunities, and MASSMAIL creation with dedicated templates, allowing your system to automatically engage and communicate with your customers at any stage of their life cycle. Each contact has a detailed history of actions associated with it from the very beginning for follow-up. Leads are funneled from your website or social network directly into the CRM, with the source field determining the exact campaign or a channel, bringing in the lead. Detailed history of any target, lead, or contact is tracked and stored in the profile for you to have a deep and more intimate understanding of your prospect's interest in your products or services. Webxloo CRM is fully integrated with WhatsApp application, which allows you to interact with local and foreign customers individually or as a group via text messaging from your PC or a mobile phone. The history is captured and stored in CRM in all instances. Robust lead management tools allow you to determine the salespeople's capacity to manage leads and set limits as to how many are assigned to them with a selected status, helping them to use their time more efficiently. Once the limit is reached, they are no longer assigned new leads until they conclude the status of the lead to be either converted to a sale or expired before they are assigned another lead. Escalation Wizard enables to determine how much time your sales team is given to respond to each incoming lead. If no activity is visible in the CRM, it will automatically notify them based on the specified timeline and also escalate to a peer or manager that there is no interaction with this customer and will continue to escalate until it reaches the upper management, according to the escalation rules you have set. Once a target or lead is converted to a contact, any engagement such as activity, task, history, documents, opportunities, campaign, and organization throughout its journey is stored in the CRM. The information related can be accessed at any time for follow-up in the future. Quotes, invoicing, and contract modules can be also configured for each environment, allowing you to keep together all of the history related to that client for future access and consistency of information that was shared with them. Configure the Opportunities module for sales forecast and future revenue projections to help the operations focus on priorities to be brought forth and initialized. Keep a history of the various products quoted to the customer with the quote module. Deliver a professional PDF template via email directly to their inbox. Simply click on Email PDF and email with attachment will be automatically generated. Convert a quote into invoice and process it the same way or edit it with changes made to fit the needs of the customer prior to processing. The final invoice can be emailed or printed in various formats and sent to client's accounts payable department. You can update and edit the status of the invoice to be paid upon receipt of payment and generate reports to keep track of your accounts receivables daily. Use the PDF generation capability to create and share read-only, professional-looking PDF invoices with your customers. Create as many templates as needed to distribute your promotions and any type of pricing incentives that you're advertising for your customers with a template module. You can even attach items from your products list or inventory with a custom text added to blend into the template for a comprehensive and user-friendly email campaign. Synchronize Webxloo CRM email module and Outlook, regardless of which you initiate. The interaction with it will update both mailboxes for your ease and flexibility depending on if you're online or mobile. Webxloo CRM has built-in call tracking and outbound calling with numbers available in over 40 countries, where incoming calls can be routed to specific users or set into round robin for group answering. The outgoing calls will be routed through the country exchange code designated in your CRM. Each user can have one or multiple phone numbers depending on their territorial objectives. All calls and texts are tracked and conversations are stored for training and quality assurance purposes, in addition to ensuring that the telemarketers or inside sales staff follow the script designated for them to engage with prospects. Webxloo Chat is a dynamic module that integrates internal chat system and live chat with external clients equally into one solution, allowing for departments to be assigned their own chat to interact with customers as needed, such as sales, support, billing, etc. The customer is facing live chat originating from the websites or social channels can be reassigned to other members in the organization on the fly, with the most experience regarding the topic and stored for future follow-up by sales team. Webxloo Chat functions seamlessly on your smartphone, allowing your organization to communicate and learn together about all projects, products, services, and new corporate developments together. No one is left out. Build a dedicated template and send out the mass emails to the contact list of your choice with Campaign module. The system recognizes the opt-out accounts and bypasses them and keeps track of the history and the statistics of your click-through ratios and opening of the emails count for deep analysis and marketing strategy to get the best results for future campaigns and announcements. Each target that has been on a distribution list is registered and the history of the campaign is stored associated with the target to ensure complete saturation of the marketing and determining which campaign was the most interesting to the target so the salespeople can fashion their narrative to that which interests their customers. The workflow engine is the most powerful available in any CRM in the market today and allows for graphical interface and setting up the process using a drag-and-drop engine and the routing of the emails or SMS or calls that arrive into the CRM with webhooks or custom PHP objects, providing the user the most flexible and laser-focused interaction with incoming channel with response back to the customer. Provide detailed analytics of each salesperson and their organization's health at any given time with reporting module. Its infinite options can be utilized to create exportable and built-in customized reports. The automated workflow can be set up to deliver reports and tables per person or for the organization to the executive management daily, weekly, or any time. Webxloo Mobile CRM encompasses all the features of the enterprise CRM solution and is available at your fingertips when you're on the road or away from your office. You can call, SMS, email, and engage the customer in any way to keep them warm and focused on your product and services. Manage your calendar and set appointments anytime, anywhere, and invite other resources to help in facilitating the sales process. Review sales records and interaction history on mobile, send and receive emails, SMS, check updates and schedule meetings on the go. Keep your business going and staying organized. Sending emails with records being saved in customer's profile or adding new meetings has never been easier with mobile CRM. Every module available in the Enterprise CRM is also available through the Mobile CRM for seamless operation. Additional ERP feature includes invoicing, quotes, project management, email, integrated live chat, and shopping cart with product management module.